Hello again and welcome back to The Spirit of Watercolor with Linda. And I've just been away on a vacation to Grayling by the Ossabaw River in Michigan, and it was just a wonderful escape, and I'm so glad to be back refreshed, and ready to get back into my art as it is fall coming up. I mean, it's still summer, but we're moving into fall and people are going to get busy with all kinds of things in life, right? Even more busy, right? Work, school. And so what I'm hoping for is to get us going now to find balance in life, more balance, which again, the watercolors have always done for me, and I want to keep sharing that with you. So welcome to the subscribers that have been with me, and welcome new subscribers. And this is going to be a really quick run video of just kind of creating a cleaner, calmer space. My studio is getting a bit crazy from all the work from last year and the framing too, and putting things up and out. And so now, we need to declutter and get this fresh start so we can be more clear where we want to go this year. I have a few goals I'll share with you while I'm cleaning, and hopefully you'll have a few goals that are like mine or your own personal goals, just to, just maybe get better at watercolor, or maybe, to finally frame something or give something away, or maybe even sell something, and on and on. So it doesn't have to be this big time thing, and we start and take baby steps. So I hope you'll join me on this wonderful journey I call The Spirit of Watercolor. And please remember, if you can, to like and subscribe and keep watching so that you keep growing with me, and we're on this wonderful journey together. So I will see you in my crazy studio for a quick run around in this video, and then I'll soon be showing, when I'm finishing up, a video about serenity and peace, a painting to put up so you can stay in that calm frame of mind through the year as we're continuing to work and grow together. Okay, see you there. Well, not at the table this time, in the whole studio. Okay, I'll see you there. And it's time for a regroup here. Okay, you're looking at my studio. It always becomes, after using it so much, it can become a crazy mess. And so I'm just scanning it so I can take note of what needs to be done. Of course, the table here is just needing a tidy up and a wipe up. I might take everything off and wipe it down and then put everything back neatly, and that will definitely help. Also, one of the first things, I actually checked AI and it said throw away things. So, what here do I not use? Really not use. And, sometimes you're not sure, so I put things like brushes in cups and things like that. But, and then here's my just a bunch of things that you use, brushes and non-brush gimmicky things to for spattering, alcohol, things you use on paintings but not all the time. And that needs to be reorganized, and there's some old stuff to get rid of. And again, there's my trash can over there, and my bookshelf. So we need to kind of go through that. There's another bookshelf. There are some art bins that I honestly don't know if I'm even using, so do I keep them? And then this is what I carry to watercolor group, is this, and to travel with, but I need to clean that out a little more so I can do that. Bookshelf down there. There's things underneath the table that I think a lot of this just needs tidying up and putting away. Then, a dust and vacuum. We have a shop vac and, of course, a broom. So, putting things away, paintings and mats and so forth. So yeah, not fun, but let's do it together. If you need to go through your things too, come along on this quick journey with me as we swish through the studio taking care of stuff. Okay, so I will fast forward this probably, but I'm going to start to declutter everything here. Tidy things up. Okay, so I just started to pick up things that need to be thrown out or put away, and I've sped this up, but I was really trying to make it So I'm, basically cleaning up in 30 minutes and then, take the rest of the time, which would be hopefully under an hour, right, to dust and wipe down and vacuum, or in my case, I just swept. It wasn't that bad. So you'll see me just going around and doing that, putting paint tubes away and, getting little pieces of paper that I had out and tape and such. I had little cards that were the titles of paintings that were in the last show, and there's paintings on the floor. So let's just bustle around, and I didn't even think too hard. Oh, and then I took the 2 coffee mugs there, and I moved all the brushes into one mug, and all the things like scissors and screwdrivers and things into the other one. So I didn't actually get rid of anything, but I liked how that was more organized. I cleaned off the felt pad that's over the drawing board that I used to paint on, and then I wiped everything down on the table. And here I am with my feather duster and my broom and dustpan, and we're just doing, the finishing touches here, and it just feels good to make sure everything is tidied up and cleaned up and fresh and ready for a fresh start. So I decided to keep this just focused to cleaning and organizing in under an hour, right? And I dusted, as you saw, and I swept. I didn't vacuum. Didn't seem like, it's maybe been 6 months since I cleaned it last. So let's just, keep it to that, because it is a studio and I don't want people to think they have to have something immaculate. You don't. And let me just show you. I fixed that little bookshelf so I could put a few things on that middle shelf. It keeps breaking on me. And I didn't even go down there. I just cleaned up here to make it where I want to come in, got the clutter out, and organized my paints, my brushes, as you saw. So now we're ready. And thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you've joined me. And now we can go back to, our sketches and photographs from being away. I hope you got away this year too, and have some rest and break away from the routine. Even doing our paintings can be routine if we're motivated and doing a lot right with them, right? And we need to sometimes just get away and get re-inspired. So I did that, and I really hope if you haven't that you do. And I'm going to now be refreshed and ready to paint again. So the video I've already started and will be up soon is another serene painting. It's about peace and serenity, using some of the colors I'm inspired by here. The greens that I have that are common greens, and you probably have something very similar. If you don't have those, and you probably have those, and the blues, the good old ultramarine, and some of these colors I haven't actually used because I try a lot of unusual colors, and you'll see in my videos that inspire me. But I'm going to be inspired, and hope you will too, to take out our regular tubes and get some beautiful serene paintings going together. So I'll see you soon at the next video, and I'm so thankful for all of you, and I'm so thankful for this life and the spiritual journey that we're on, and I hope that this makes yours even more enriched. So I will leave you now, and soon watch for the serene and peaceful video coming up in the spirit of watercolor. Bye.